All right, and we are back. This is episode 11. We are going to be talking about the life audit. So, why is the life audit so important? You are probably going to be asking. And this is what allows you to identify the issues in your life that are holding you back, basically. The things that you can't really see without a deep audit or something that actually shows you, okay, where am I going wrong and how am I going to fix this? And without a deep audit, you can't really see, where you're actually going wrong. So I'm going to kind of walk you through how we broke down my student's life audit and what we kind of went over to basically break down his life. So if you can have a quick look on the screen here, it's my student Kristen. So he's in phase 2 right now, which is the build phase, where he's building his new life. So he's not there yet, but he's building. So basically we'll go through the audit. So screen time wise, you can see we were at like 10 hours per day, which was the average that he was at. And he was at he's all the way down to 3 hours now, which is a 70% reduction per day. And sleep schedule, he was all over the place before. Like he was getting 2 hours, 5 hours. I remember he was telling me he was going to bed at like 2 a.m. and waking up at 5 a.m. And I was like, dude, you can't sleep like that. Like you're just gonna fall apart. So we got him back in track, and he is sleeping like anywhere from 6 to 8 hours per night now on average, which is much, much better than where he was at before. Gym, he was going before, but it was just like there was a big pause in between when he had last went. And he's a fit dude. Like this guy is jacked. And he wasn't really consistent in the gym. He wasn't there every single day when he needed to be. And now that he's back at the gym, like he is in a way better situation mentally as well. So we got him locked back in. He's consistent now. And in terms of his discipline, he was all over the place. He was on his phone for upwards, as you saw, 10 hours per day. Studying was all over the place. He was just kind of bouncing from thing to thing. He wasn't really like in a plane. He was just living life, kind of how you are right now, which is fine. But if you really want to improve your life, you have to have a structure and understand why these things are important. Now, next up, again, you can see screen time all the way down under target, and his daily routine. He's structured. He shows up. He gets his logs done every single day. So he's checking in with me every single day. He's sending me like a notebook kind of, and he's just checking in. Like he's showing me that he's doing the work. And I see it on my end too. Studying wise for school, he's getting all his studying done, which is important. And his gym and training, he's been consistent. This dashboard will tell me when he is or is not being consistent. And this is consistent. Like he is showing up every single day. Now, when it comes to the outcome versus the inputs, he's on track. And before in the beginning, when we started this program, he was chasing the outcome. He wanted to get good at trading. That was his goal. And he was every day just like telling me, he's like, I want to start trading. I want to start trading. I'm like, okay, but we haven't even fixed your life yet. We need to get you back on track before we start, your progression in trading. And this is where after the first phase, it took him about a week and a bit, like a little over a week. He started June 9th, and by I would say week 2, he was pretty much ready to roll. Like he had fixed everything. He was locked in for his sleep schedule. Like everything was back on track. We basically broke down everything that was wrong, built him his structure, and I can show you guys his structure and what it breaks down to. And then pretty much we just burned it in. Like we burned in that schedule, and that's what his life is now. He follows his schedule every single day. And now you can see he finished his market fundamentals for trading, and now he's working on the ICT fundamentals of learning that. There's market theories he's going to be working on this week, and then he's going to be working on entry tools, and then we're kind of just going to build on these skills. And these are all things that he's taking the initiative on to learn, kind of as I'd been explaining, obsessing over the process. He's been obsessing over learning these things all on his own to get there. Obviously, he has my guidance, but I'm not teaching him the trading. He's learning the trading. That's his goal. That is what he is trying to do. Now, I'm just going to jump over to his actual structured breakdown, what that looks like. So if you give me a second here. All right, here we go. So, this is his breakdown of kind of what his week looks like here. So, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We kind of worked through this together to build what worked best for him. So 6:30 a.m. he's up every single day, no phone. 6:45 he's basically getting his 1% post in and he's getting his mindset and gym reset. Then he's going to the gym. He's getting his deep work blocks done, his trading, studying, and then he has his lunch for school. Then he sets the tone for the week, his mindset goals, everything that he needs to get done. But you see, like what I mean here, I don't need to go in detail and show you every little thing that he's doing. But he is like way more structured. You see how we have a plan for all of these things. Like he's locked in. Like he's got a structured and laid out plan, like what it actually looks like. Now, this is something that you need to build for yourself, and it doesn't have to look exactly like this. I just built this one up to show you what his week actually looks like. He's got basically a checklist where he's able to see what his day-to-day needs to look like, and he's to the point now where he doesn't even need the checklist anymore because he knows what his day looks like. But it's important that you structure out your days like this. Obviously, maybe not to the specific time, but when we had built his, which was this one here, this is how it looked. And this is how he followed his guideline in terms of the tasks that needed to get done. Obviously, we tweak it as needed, but he is getting all of his work done with this now. And this is how you have to audit your life. You need to have a way to track your progress. You need to track your progress. So the things that I would say you need to audit this week would be your screen time, your sleep schedule, your focus hours, where your biggest leak is, and your crash time. This is like the time when things start to fall apart. And you have to realize exactly where you are going wrong and where things are going right. And once you can see that bigger picture and you can audit all of these things, you're pretty much good to go. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude, you can use any of these to build kind of like a checklist or something like that for your own system, similar to how we've done here. But find what works for you, build a system, find a way to track it, log it daily, and stick to it. So your job today is going to be to build your audit system and actually have a way to track your consistent results, and then build your schedule so you know kind of what you're doing. We're going to get into that in week 3, this actual schedule building process. So don't worry too deeply about this. I'm going to show you how to build your own schedule. But the biggest thing is going to be finding a way to track your progress. That is the important thing. Audit your life. So you need a life audit. So go about a week of logging what your day-to-day life looks like, which you should actually already know because you live your own life. And then actually audit this stuff and set your goals out, what you want to get better at, where you want to get better, and then track them. But that is it for today. Post your biggest leak in the free community. As always, link is in the description. Make sure you join up and are staying up to date with all the content. But see you on for episode 12.